become a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why.
This is before my promotion. How I look in blue, my favorite color. Y'all know I'll be on that kryptonite. Yeah. Now let's see what I look like. I think I look better in green. What y'all think? Y'all say I got your girl is promoted. Thank you, thank you. Oh my. Who's a pretty girl? Where's Nova? Right here. Are you the pretty girl? Good job. You're pretty and smart, just like mommy.
I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah. I don't know what I can say to convince you to staying and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, na 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 na. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh na na. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. Somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like who?
We're gonna get you. Ah, we're gonna pick some of these flowers. Come, let's pick the flowers. Come on.
And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it.
Let me see the flower. Thank you. Look at these beautiful flowers. Lovely, right? So pretty and free. Look at that, Jesus. Look that way. Turn. Turn, look at me. Ooh, pretty girl. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh. Baby, I only want you.
Okay, so I got this CBD. It's like muscle and joint gel for pain, and it's hemp. And basically, I just put it on. So they sell it at my job, and I got this for Black Friday. You see how much it was? $12.99. I got it for $5, girl. Yes, I said it, $5. So right now it's Sunday. So how did y'all like the festivities? How was y'all Thanksgiving and all of that? We don't celebrate that, but if you do, happy, holidays. I got this, so I've been wanting this forever, because as y'all know, I use this to blend my stuff. And it takes a long time. You see how big it is? Oh my gosh, look at this. So now I'm about to dice a whole bunch of stuff up. Yes, honey. Yes, in my mixer. And you see I'm putting on my nails. Look at, I'm putting these on. I just got them from Kiss. All right, guys. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing. Welcome to all my new, subscribers. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, guys. Because, guys be subscribing. So, I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.